Squares is back here. We have a mystery mouse. You might be able to tell through that white wrapper. If you guys have really good eyesight.
Ma, it's Christmas.
So this one has taken me a bit to get a hold of. You know.
It's time for China.
It comes from the way of China. I thought this one was only released in China. This specific one was.
Oh, I snipped that box a little too much. Skills.
The white version of this was available in Japan apparently at some point. I saw it on the
You weren't kidding when you said that thing has play in it.
It's got play in it. Hey, you're not gonna use that for any precise cutting.
Here I thought.
That's what happens when you get 6 for $20.
Here I thought maybe I used to lose.
And they give you like what? Don't you think that's like $20 worth of blades too? Probably like normally, or $10.
All
Yeah.
the blades that you brought in?
Yeah, it came with 6 of those for $20.
That's like 200 blades.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, we got the wrapping off. Flip her over.
Gaming.
Some of you might know what that mouse is without this.
10 million clicks. Bam.
Kinzu. Wait, is that a V3?
V3.
It's not a V2?
Pro gaming performance.
But do you see what's key here?
Pro gaming.
MSI gaming. Do you know the only way to get these normally?
Through laptops?
No, it was an accessory with a motherboard. So like when you bought a motherboard, they gave you the Kinzu V3.
What motherboard?
Some MSI Z170, I think.
Was that 9 series?
Z170 would be Skylake.
So was that 6,000, 7,000, 8,000?
6,000.
Okay.
Skylake is Haswell, Broadwell, Skylake, right?
Something like that, yeah. What about Bay Trail? Or is that mobile?
Bay Trails, yeah, that's the little bip, the little bips.
Gotcha.
So here we go. We're gonna crack this bad boy open. This right here, that is a classic.
It's like an OG shape.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm cracking open a friggin' Zai or something.
Harkens back to the glory days of SteelSeries.
Oh, you mean when they just took Microsoft mics and put glossy coatings on them? Man.
Honestly though, this though works in SteelSeries V3, or in the software. The SteelSeries Engine 3.
Yeah.
Yep.
Engine
Yep.
3. Customize it with SteelSeries 3. It can't be that old.
It's not. It is that old though. That's how old the SteelSeries Engine 3 is.
There you go. There we go.
And I had to get this through once again Corn Electronics. If you guys ever need to get any like exclusive Chinese electronics,
typical SteelSeries.
Ask me, I'll give them their info or give you their info.
Okay, there we go.
Classic SteelSeries rubber cable there. Do you remember when that was considered good?
That rubber cable?
Yeah.
Oh man. Bam. Look at those
some white
stickers.
SteelSeries with
clear
backing.
Alright, well.
If you guys are interested in a previous video we just filmed, what's that right there? Is that a Aerox 3 wireless?
Well,
check it out.
So yeah, you got your little
very classic SteelSeries packaging.
They give you this thing here because they wanted you to like test it, right?
Yeah. This box doesn't have the cutout. Yeah, you gotta remember this was their cheapest mouse, and actually this mouse was never on. That's a pretty nice red.
Gloss. That's MSI Gamer Red.
Oh yeah, let's. Oh, if this had side buttons, I would rock this so hard.
It's like a little baby. It's like a little baby.
Put your hand on that.
It's like take a. What's that mouse? The chicken one? The Kana. There you go. Take a Kana. Shrink it.
Like here,
even
Kana?
smaller.
Kana?
No, that's Kana inspired. Inspired. That's definitely not a Kana.
It's bigger. A little bit fatter.
Wow, those clicks feel kind of like springy. That's kind of impressive. I feel like you could really.
Yeah, if you guys liked the Kinzu, like original V2 Pro, this is what you want, right there. You probably want to recable it because that's pretty bad cable. But yeah, and you got to get it from China though, because that's the only place you get this.
3 buttons.
Right. Yep, and you got to be one of those guys that just likes your 3 buttons.
Does this thing glow even?
No.
Doesn't even have RGB?
No.
It's 2020.
This did not come out in 2020.
All right.
Does it say manufacturing date on here?
RGB gives you at minimum 15%.
You know what I like though?
Extra headshots.
You see this though? When's the last time on the side of the box you could see actual size?
Oh, wait a sec. Let's put that.
That's pretty accurate, actually.
Oh, sorry.
That's pretty darn accurate. You gotta lift it up a little bit, but you know.
It's hard to lift a mouse up.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty damn close. Here I was like, no, the box actually looks bigger. Alright, nice job. Bravo SteelSeries.
Yeah, so quality, like if they made a Kinzu with side clicks back and forward on it, oh man.
Yeah, so here's the problem. They'd probably put one here.
Yeah.
And then put the other here.
That'd still be better than none.
Would it though?
Yes.
Because, like, you ever used a mouse that has a button over here and you're trying to grab it?
Oh, you mean like the IntelliMouse Optical that's over here?
No.
Right here? This?
No, we don't talk about that mouse, alright?
Right here? This guy? Oh, look, button?
We don't talk about that mouse.
Button. Inspired the Kana. And then the Kana inspired one of the greatest mice ever.
The Death Adder, alright, yeah.
Arrival 106.
That's pretty good, yeah. That's pretty good.
But, yeah, so this was a surprise unboxing. Didn't know when this was going to come because China, COVID, all that sort of stuff. And I'm pretty happy. This was more to have in my collection because this is the best. You know, like, it's a classic SteelSeries shape, except it's actually a modern update of it. So,
not too shabby.
It's, by the way, guys, it's not cheap. Like, it's cheap if you can buy it in China. But, you know, you got to get it here. So, you got if you guys are interested, you really got to want that shape or want it for your collection. Because otherwise, it's probably not worth it, to be truthful.
I'm sure there's probably mice that are smaller or about the same size with slightly better tech for cheaper.
Yep.
That you can get nowadays at your local Wally World, Best Buy,
Micro Center,
Target, Micro Center.
Maybe not Target. Do you think Target has a good mouse selection?
I mean, at one point, I bought a. Remember the MX518?
Yeah. No, I don't. I don't remember that at all.
You know how this is like red like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, they had a red variant of it that they had that was
exclusive
to Target. Dude.
Like
the
that was like 15 years ago.
Yeah. I'm just saying. Like when Left 4 Dead was around. There you go. Showing my age.
Not Left 4 Dead 2, guys.
It might have been Left 4 Dead 2. I can't remember. I'm that old.
Oh, put your surge back here. Is this gamer enough here? SteelSeries Rival Wireless 3, Pringles,
some Surge,
and some Surge. I think that is about as gamer as it gets, boys.
Oh, I feel great.
Well, if you guys have any questions or any comments on what you guys think about the Kinzu here, I do have a V2. I have two V2 Pros. Is there actually one down here? Yep. All right.
What about those knockoff Kanas, man?
There you go. Compare that.
Should have kept those, man. Wait, this one came with the stock braided cable?
Yeah, that's because it's a Pro.
And then they went, oh my god, that is the worst braided cable known to man.
And with the weight of the mouse, it is
What the hell did they do?
It's like a stiff wire.
It's probably best that they went back to the rubber.
Yep.
Oh, those are much softer clicks. This one actually has they're just springy.
Because this, if you're wondering, was the best variant of this mouse, of this shape, until the V3. That's the V2 Pro.
I mean, how do you know it's the best variant of it? This one right here.
What? Of a Kinzu?
Because, doesn't this one have a worse sensor, though?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty darn sure.
I was going to say, I think that's why people sought out some of the older versions, is that it actually had,
Well, I can tell you don't want the Kinzu V2, because that has acceleration on it. The Pro was the one that didn't.
Also has a cable made out of metal, apparently. Very similar to the HP Omen mouse.
Oh, and the Pixel 3 is overheating, guys. So, we're going to have to catch you later before this video ends prematurely. And on the Pixel 3, it does not save it. So, hopefully you enjoyed it. And we'll catch you in the next trip down memory lane. That's just about as choppy.